Hello traders, welcome to Shoonya. Today we will see in this video how you can do e-voting in CDSL by login Shoonya BackOffice. So first of all, we will open Shoonya website, which is shoonya.com. After that, we will go to the top menu bar and then click on BackOffice Financial Year 2022 and 2023. You will see that we have come to the login page of BackOffice. Here we will log in our back office by using our user ID and password. After entering user ID and password, we will click on login button. Then you will see we have successfully logged in back office. After that, we will click on e-voting button at the top. Now you will see that we will redirect to the next page. Here we will click for vote. After that, we will enter an OTP for OTP authentication. And click on verify. After verify this OTP, we will select our depository. Here we select CDSL. Now click submit. After that, you will see the voting portal where we have to vote. So now we click on EVSN number of the company we want to vote. After that, you will see the investor voting screen where we will select yes or no according to our view. And click on submit button. Now you see that the message that your vote has been recorded successfully has come. Now we click on OK button. So this was a brief overview of how you can do e-voting in CDSL by logging to Shoonya BackOffice.